But first, what type of membership did you own? Search for your membership number or PIN. It is a mix of 3 letters and 5 numbers. Locate the membership number at your member's agreement attached to the congratulations email sent by our staff the date of purchase, or at the ULC Members Only website on My Account, Account Details, under PIN. Once you find the PIN, look at the second letter indicating your membership level. If you own a Premium Collection membership, you will see B for Bronze, S for Silver, or G for Gold. For Platinum Collection members, P for Junior Presidential, E for Presidential Suite, or A for Grand Presidential Suite.